Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Kasa Smart Pan Tilt Camera. If you're looking for the best pan tilt camera, then this video is specially made up for you. The Kasa Smart Pan Tilt Camera is a smart indoor security camera from TP-Link that lets you monitor your home in real time. It features pan and tilt control, 1080p HD video, motion detection, and two-way audio, so without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, unbox the camera box. Inside the Kasa Smart Pan / Tilt camera box, you'll find the camera in itself, a power adapter with cable, a mounting base plus screws and anchors, and a quick start guide. Everything you need to get the camera plugged in and set up within minutes. Now plug one end of the power adapter into the camera and the other into a power outlet. The camera will power on automatically. Wait until the LED starts blinking orange and green, this means it's ready for setup. On your smartphone, open the App Store, iPhone, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Kasa Smart by TP-Link. Tap Install and wait for the app to download and install. On your smartphone, open the App Store, iPhone, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Kasa Smart by TP-Link. Tap Install and wait for the app to download and install. In the app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Select Device. Choose Security Camera from the device list. Then select Kasa Smart Pan / Tilt Camera. The app will instruct you to connect your phone to the camera's temporary Wi-Fi. Open your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network name like Kasa_Cam_XXXX and tap to connect. Once connected, return to the Kasa app. The Kasa app will now ask you to select your home Wi-Fi network. Important, make sure your home Wi-Fi is on the 2.4 GHz band, not 5 GHz. Select your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Next. The camera will now connect to your home network. Wait for the confirmation. After successful connection, choose a name for the camera, like living room, kitchen, etc. Assign the camera to a room or create a new one. You can also choose to enable or disable notifications at this stage. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.